Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 25th November 2025. The Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI has proposed excluding delisted securities and zero coupon, zero principal bonds from portfolio value calculations for basic services demat accounts. This move aims to ensure fairness and prevent artificial inflation of holdings as these securities lack realizable market value or investment potential. Sunteck Realty, the Mumbai-based property developer, is set to enter the UAE property market with ambitious projects totaling AED 15 billion over 3 years. The company has established Sunteck International to manage its expansion, starting with a significant AED 5 billion development in downtown Dubai. This move targets the growing demand from high net worth individuals in the region. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India or IBBI has notified amendments to the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India Insolvency Professionals Regulations 2016, inserting a new provision, Regulation 7B, immediately after Regulation 7A. An insolvency professional who is not an Insolvency Professional Entity or IPE shall not at any point in time hold more than 10 assignments in aggregate. Within the overall cap, there is a specific limit for high-value cases. Maximum 3 assignments may involve claims exceeding Rs 1,000 crore each. The sharp fall in the rupee is expected to hit companies who have high unhedged exposure to foreign currency debt. However, the good news is that India Inc. seems to have anticipated this and has been consistently reducing its unhedged position. According to data from the Reserve Bank of India, the share of unhedged external commercial borrowing was 26.1% in March 2025, down sharply from 32.9% in September 2024. It hovered around 45% 2 years back. The implementation of the Digital Personal Data Protection or DPDP rules is expected to drive a sharp rise in technology and compliance spending across enterprises, with industry estimates indicating a 10 to 13% increase in IT and tech budgets, depending on organizational scale and data maturity. Following the government's notification of the rules, companies have a transition window of about 12 to 18 months to rework their systems to meet new requirements. This includes redesigning consent and notice mechanisms, updating data retention procedures, preparing for mandatory breach reporting, and enabling user rights features. The overhaul is expected to influence legal, operational and technology functions simultaneously, leading to a broad-based rise in compliance costs. Funding for agri-tech startups has fallen sharply this year, reversing the surge seen during the pandemic years. After touching record highs in 2021 and 2022, capital inflows have slowed by more than 50% in 2025, leading to shutdowns, distressed deals, and a rethink of business models across the sector. Funding has slowed because many agri-tech models still do not demonstrate visibility on sustainable profitability. The funding slowdown has further led to shutdown of companies, creating a domino effect of confidence in the ecosystem. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.